Do you know what the deadliest animal in the world is? It's not a shark and it's not a snake. It's this tiny, annoying insect that could be buzzing around your head right now. Mosquitoes aren't just frustrating because they make you scratch like crazy. They are a serious health threat because they can carry dangerous diseases like West Nile virus. Luckily, you don't have to spray harsh chemicals on your skin anymore. Today, we're making something completely natural and effective. In the next minute, I'll show you a secret recipe for a homemade mosquito repellent. The secret is in the ingredients and the right ratio, so watch carefully until the end. If you skip the last step, your spray won't work properly. We're starting with the base. For that, we need about 200 milliliters of hot water. Add 2 tablespoons of dried mint to the water right away. Mint contains a high concentration of menthol. Its strong scent may make it harder for mosquitoes to detect people. Now let this mixture sit for 2 hours. The hot water will extract the beneficial compounds from the mint. After that, strain it through a fine mesh strainer directly into your container. Now it's time for the most important ingredient. That is pure lavender essential oil. We're adding about 10 drops. Many people use lavender because mosquitoes tend to avoid its scent. At the same time, lavender can help leave your skin feeling calm and refreshed. But watch out, because this is where most people make a big mistake. Oil and water do not mix naturally. If you just pour everything into the bottle now, the oil will float on top. That's why we need one more ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of organic liquid soap. The soap helps the lavender oil mix evenly with the mint infusion instead of floating on top. This way, every spray contains the same mixture. Shake everything well, pour it into a spray bottle, and your homemade mosquito repellent is ready to use. Before using it, try a small amount on a small area of your skin first, since everyone's skin is different. You can also spray it on your clothing for extra protection. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Bye, and see you in the next video.